Joe Gonzalez, a leader, fourth-generation Tampanian, and shining star in the city of Tampa.
When I got back from law school, I went to what they were calling the Tampa Hispanic Heritage Celebration. It was at noon, from noon to 1:30 at Tico Plaza, and at the end of an hour and a half, that was it. That was Tampa's Hispanic Heritage Celebration, and I found that to be completely unacceptable. I decided I was going to work on the way that we celebrate our Hispanic roots here in Tampa, which are now over 150 years old. I incorporated Tampa Hispanic Heritage, Inc. So we went from an hour and a half celebration. By the time I left it, there were 64 events over the month of October, and now I hear that there's over 124 events.
Gonzalez was a founding member and the first president of Tampa Hispanic Heritage. He personally incorporated the legal documents that made Tampa Hispanic Heritage its own entity, apart from the Sister Cities program, where THH began. Gonzalez went on to lead Tampa Hispanic Heritage as president for 3 terms in 1985, 1986, and 1987.
Hispanic Women's Day.
He also created the first Hispanic Woman of the Year event.
He took the organization to a new level. The Hispanic Women's Luncheon was started, the first poster contest, and many different activities that helped us showcase the Hispanic community.
A charter member of the Mayor's Hispanic Advisory Council under former Mayor Bob Martinez, Gonzalez chaired the MHAC for 2 years in the early 1990s and served on the council until 2013.
I waited till I had legs and it could run.
The accomplishments and contributions to our city continue. Gonzalez served on the Sheriff's Hispanic Advisory Council, the Tampa Police Chief's Citizen Advisory Committee, and the Hillsborough County Planning Commission. For 8 years, 1982 through 1990, Gonzalez worked with the Hispanic Defense League and participated in the original Complete Census Count Committee in 1990 for Tampa, Hillsborough County. Also, one of the founders of the Hispanic Business Institute, HBI, Gonzalez served as president and secretary through 1993.
He's been instrumental in many changes, one of which the bilingual signs, or we wanted them to be put at the airport, and he was instrumental in that.
Gonzalez was a member of the USF Hispanic Advisory Board and is a lifelong member of the Ybor City Rotary, where he serves on the board of directors.
Very generous with his time. He has the heart of a lion and is a very, very kind person.
Because of Joe Gonzalez's leadership, our community has benefited in so many ways. Dozens of students have received thousands of dollars in scholarship money raised through his efforts. The Hispanic community at large has gained hugely from Joe's leadership efforts through the many organizations that he founded, co-founded, and still exist today, celebrating Tampa's Hispanic heritage. And the city of Tampa has benefited from Joe Gonzalez's leadership efforts through the many distinctive and unique events that take place in our community, strengthening Tampa's Hispanic heritage legacy.
My legacy would be that we start with the old Tampa Guard, but now we have Peruvians and Bolivians and we have Mexicans and we have Venezuelans. It's like a big paella. Every morsel retains its flavor, but all together makes a wonderful dish, and that's what we are in Tampa.